Hello and welcome. If you're choosing between the Xiaomi G20 and G20 Lite, here's how they stack up and which might be right for you. The G20 is the higher end model. It offers stronger suction, up to 25,000 PA, versus the G20 Lite's 18,000 PA, meaning better performance on thick carpets or tougher dirt. Its dustbin is also slightly larger at 0.6 liters, compared to the Lite's about 0.55 liters, and it has longer cleaning runtime, around 60 minutes in eco mode versus the approximate 45 minutes on the Lite. On the lighter side, the G20 Lite brings advantages for users who value portability. It's noticeably lighter, about 2.4 kilograms compared to the G20's 3.7 kilograms, which means easier to carry around, clean stairs, or handle overhead spots. The Lite also includes useful extras like LED lights for dark corners, a white light dust detection feature, a 5-stage filtration system that gets up to 99.9% particle efficiency, and slightly more compact accessories. Where the G20 pulls ahead is in power and capacity. Stronger motor, bigger bin, more suction, shorter charge time, around 3.5 hours versus the 5 hours for the Lite, and better suited if you have large rooms, mixed surfaces, or heavier messes. But if most of your cleaning is on hard floors, lighter dirt, or you need a vacuum that's easier to move and store, the Lite offers great value with fewer compromises. So which one should you pick? Go with the G20 if you want max performance and don't mind the extra weight and price. Choose the G20 Lite if portability, value, and lighter usage are more important to you. Either way, they're both solid. It just depends on your priorities. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.